WWE star Jimmy Uso was reportedly arrested Monday night for a DUI, according to TMZ. Uso, whose real name is Jonathan Fatu, was pulled over in Pensacola, Florida after reportedly blowing through a red light and driving above the speed limit. Officers say they smelled alcohol on Fatu's breath and asked him to get out of the car. Fatu was reportedly swaying and told officers he consumed multiple beers before getting behind the wheel. Fatu reportedly failed field sobriety tests and was arrested on a misdemeanor DUI after he blew a .202 and a .205. The legal limit in Florida is .08. Fatu was also cited for speeding and running a red light. His bond is $500, according to TMZ. Jimmy Uso was arrested for DUI in 2019. It's the second time Fatu has been arrested for a suspected DUI in the last 2 years. Fatu was arrested in 2019, though a jury found Fatu not guilty. Fatu was also arrested in 2011 for a DUI. WWE has not commented on Fatu's reported arrest. Fatu did not appear on WWE shows for a few months following his arrest in 2019.